how to improve like a pro stock trading. How to improve like a pro stock trading. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, bonjour, bonsoir, mes amis, guten Morgen, guten Tag, guten Abend. For those of you who are new to us, we are the TSTWSYS008 traders. And our website is www.stochastic-macd.com. The title of the video is how to improve like a pro stock trading. All right, let's get started. All right, so you have been trading stocks for some time and you have some successful trade, but probably you are having difficulties to achieve a consistent winning trade. You know that you can trade stocks, but you understand also that you have some weaknesses and you want to improve your stock trading like a pro. You are asking yourself, how do the pro trade the stocks successfully? In this tutorial, I want to share with you a specific stock trading tips that will help you improve your stock trading. It's very simple. It is also powerful. I recommend to traders to watch the full length of this video so they may understand what we are talking about here. All right, it's more about practical trading. All right, what you need to do, how do you do it? Okay, and so you may also start improving your stock trading. Let's get started. All right, the strategy is very simple. I'm not going to waste your time. We are looking for a specific chart pattern, or we are looking for a specific price structure. All right, the price structure that we are looking for is called a zigzag pattern. When the price go down 1, 2, 3. All right, that's the first thing we are looking for. So we are looking on any chart when the price goes down, and then rally up a bit, without coming to the beginning of this point here, and then it pull back down again, forming what we call a zigzag chart pattern. If you want to know more about the zigzag pattern trading, go to www.24elliotwave.com or subscribe to 24 Elliot Waves YouTube channel. So price form a zigzag pattern. So if you don't know anything about a chart pattern, you will at least understand what is a zigzag, the shape of a zigzag. So here we have Apple stock. I'm recording this video today. All right, here it is on Sunday, the 20th of March 2016. All right, so a zigzag pattern is being formed here for Apple stock. So can you see price went down? See the pink line, and then rally up a bit and then pull back down. This is a zigzag chart pattern. So when that's happened, we want the price to start changing direction. So after it from 1, 2, 3, we want it to start changing direction at this point here. We want it to change direction. So we see Apple stock start changing direction. Next thing we want to check, second verification, we want the CCI period 14 to form a double bottom chart pattern. Here it is. The CCI period 14, or CCI stands for Commodity Channel Index Indicator. If you want to learn and master the CCI trading, go to www.dayprotrader.com or subscribe to Day Pro Traders YouTube channel. So the CCI period 14 form a double bottom chart pattern. Here it is. All right. This is a powerful high probability trading setup when a financial instrument formed a zigzag chart pattern and the commodity channel index, or the CCI oscillator, form also a double bottom chart pattern. We have a high probability trading setup. So some trader may say to me, George, you just said that this is a guarantee money making machine. No, I did not say that. All right. This is a high probability trading setup, which means we have more chance that this trade may end up paying us money, than we may lose. So what we do, as we see, we do the verification, zigzag pattern be in place, price start changing direction, CCI period 14 form a double bottom chart pattern. We draw what we call a warning line. This is my warning line. As always, I color it into orange. Boom, it's there. So the warning line is at a 9165 for Apple stock. So here at this point in time, as the price starts changing direction here, I know that I have a high probability trading setup. I'm on a monthly chart for Apple stock. You may see that also on the weekly chart, on the hourly chart, on the 2-hour chart, on the 2 days chart. So here I am now on the weekly chart. We see here, price from what? A zigzag pattern. 1, 2, 3. Now it starts changing direction here. So from the weekly chart, at this point in time where I'm placing my vertical line now, I may start thinking of, bullish, trading setup. Okay, high probability, a powerful, high probability trading setup. All right. The next step, my friend, you want to improve your stock trading. You want to check the market leaders. But in this case, we are talking about Apple stock. It's one of the market leaders for the Nasdaq 100. There are 2 market leaders for the Nasdaq 100, Apple stock and Google stock. So because I'm trading a market leader, I'm not going to worry too much, all right? So the game is done because I'm looking at market leader. I don't want to, go too far, so to speak, okay? The next step, we will use what we call a top-down trading method, because if I see this trading setup on the weekly chart, I will now switch from the weekly chart. Now we want to implement what? A top-down trading method. Higher time frame to the lower time frame. At least 2 times frame. All right. So I'm now going to the 4-hour chart. I'm looking for what? A trading signal. Now high probability trading setup will generate high probability trading signal. The signal is here. You see, there was this trend line here. You see the pink line. It's a trend line. The price was going down, displaying lower lows, lower high. Now the price breaks above the pink line and form what? The first higher low, indicating to us that the bearish momentum in this session is diminishing. Yeah. Now game on. Well, now I can place my vertical line at that point on the 4-hour chart. This is my vertical line at that point in time. All right, my friend, you want to improve your stock trading, pay attention carefully. I place a vertical line there, color into red. Here it is. Now I will switch to the 15-minute chart because it has been many days so far. We may not see this vertical line if I switch to the 15-minute chart. But when we were here, you will have seen that vertical line on the 50-minute chart. Let's see whether we can see that vertical line on the 50-minute chart because it has been many days now. Oh, here it is, my friend. So we switch to the 50-minute chart to look for entry point. All right. So when we are about to enter the trade, again, we apply the same rule, break below price. Okay. Because you see here, if you were here, you see there was a bearish trend line in this session. Follow my cursor, bearish trend line here, break above, retest forming what? The first higher low above the bearish trend line. Here there was one higher low, or you can just draw, okay, a channel, okay, to trade on the edge and enter your swing trade like a professional trader. This is how one can improve stock trading. To summarize this video, my friend, the bottom line, in order to start improving stock trading, one must have, okay, a valid trading setup. When I start trading first, professional traders told me that, George, you must trade your setup. So I say, what do you mean by trade my setup? Which means you must know a specific setup that you know, that you like, that you understand. So in order to improve stock trading, you must know a trading setup, you must understand a specific trading setup, you must like that trading setup, and most importantly, you must know how to trade that trading setup. This is how the professional stock traders are trading the stock. So for you also to start improving your stock trading, please have a trading setup that you understand, that you know, that you like, that ultimately you know how to trade. Today, I'm sharing with you a specific trading setup that I like, that I love, that I understand, that I know how to trade. Probably that will open your eyes so you may also leapfrog your stock trading. It makes sense? It is also powerful. All right. So know your trading setup, have a valid trading setup, okay? Like it, know how to trade it, master it. Spend time, don't worry, just gently. Okay? Spend time to master it. The bottom line, we don't want to violate the top-down trading method. If you are trading stock and you don't understand what is the top-down trading method, you're going to go round and round and round and round. There are other things that can help improve stock trading, but I want to give you today only a specific trading setup and how you can go about to trading. We're going to go back again to the monthly chart. Okay, very simple. Here it is, Apple stock form a zigzag chart pattern. The commodity channel index, the CCI indicator, form a double bottom pattern. Why we care about the CCI? Because the CCI is giving us the information that the momentum, okay, is about to change direction. That's why the CCI form a double bottom chart pattern. The price also, the minimum price move for traders who understand in your way technical analysis is free. So when the price goes down 1, 2, 3, and the CCI period 14 form a double bottom pattern, we have a powerful high probability trading setup. So this information will help stock traders looking for this specific, okay, trading setup, and they will learn how to master it. If you're on a monthly chart, you use monthly chart, daily chart, hourly chart. Okay, you're on a weekly chart, 4-hour chart, 15-minute chart. You see it on a daily chart, okay. You need to be careful because daily chart we may see some distortion. I prefer that traders use 2 days chart. All right, 2 days chart. I'll prefer, but it's okay. Daily chart, hourly chart, 10-minute time frame. All right. These are just few examples of a top-down trading method. But the bottom line, we want to know a trading setup that we like, a trading setup that we understand, okay, that we master. All right, and we are just screaming the market looking for that specific, okay, trading setup. All right, because if you understand the trading setup and you master it, you will be likely to trade. So you find a trading setup, okay, the signal is fire, you enter the trade. If the signal has changed, you must close the trade without blinking. All right, but we control the trading signal on the entry time frame. The earlier stage, one can decide to come out. One can check the entry time frame and say, I don't like what's going on anymore. I'm out. Short-term trend, medium trend, long-term trend. So the trading setup is highlighting to a certain degree, so to speak, okay, long-term trend, all right? And the signal is highlighting the medium trend, and the entry time frame is highlighting the short-term trend. So when we are about to enter the trade, we do care about what is happening now. We want to time the trade carefully. There are more. I don't want the video to be too long. We want to check the market environment, but I'm not going to dwell on that, okay? All I will say to trader at this point, go to www.dayprotrader.com, check the 7 biggest trading mistakes that you can avoid. But in order to improve stock trading like a pro, one must have a high probability trading setup that one understands, one knows, one masters, one likes, and most importantly, one knows how to trade. The top-down trading method. My friend, if you have any question, put in the comment section, and in due course, I will record another video to answer your specific question. This is just the beginning, okay, of this tutorial to help traders improve their stock trading instead of going up and down, guessing the market. High probability trading setup, we create high probability trading signal, and then we will select a low risk entry point. If the signal fails, we are out. If we find a high probability trading setup, and then the signal is fired, and we are about to enter the trade, but the market environment is too risky, we may come back another day and trade. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTWSYS008 traders, talking about how to improve like pro stock trading. Speak to you soon.